Hello, this is a recording for Sunday, February 22nd. Today's practice is titled Lightening Up. It is designed to shift from heavy energy, fatigue, overwhelm, sadness, to a lighter kind of energy. Take a comfortable position and take a few nice, easy breaths, awakening to the sensations of lightness in the body. Feel that every part of the body is filling up with lightness, like a helium balloon. Body becoming lighter and lighter. The right leg becoming light, maybe even feeling as if it's lifting up a little bit. The right leg becoming light, lifting up. Left leg filling up with lightness, as if floating right up. Left leg becoming lighter and lighter, floating up. The right arm becoming lighter and lighter, as if picking up. The left arm becoming light, as if floating up. The hips and torso becoming light, filling up like a helium balloon and floating right up. And finally the head, filling with the sensation of lightness, as if floating right up. Entire body floating, light as air. See if you can experience lightness throughout the whole body. Absolute lightness. Now gently release the feeling of floating. Coming down, grounded once again, but still holding the sensation of lightness. Grounded and light at the same time. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally? How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. And as always, to enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.